In today's video I'm going to show you how I make my beats in the style of Booter B. Let's get into it. So first of all we're going to open up Analog Lab V, one of my favourite VSTs at the moment. It has been for a while, to be honest. Going to my favourites. And it's a bell sound. First we're going to set the tempo to 200 BPM. We'll go 202 just as that touch faster. Going to set the key to we'll just start off with C minor. See where we end up. I feel like I need a deeper note, but it can't be the C because the melody starts on C. I feel like it is going to be this. Good melody to start off with, pretty quick. It's a bit crazy that last note to find the right one. I think it definitely is going to be this. And I want to try an effect out on it. Kickstarter 2. So I like the effect it gives it. It's the notes that some notes aren't in it fully. These ones. So I'm liking how that sounds overall. Let's just take out some of the low end and we'll get into maybe some chords or the bass. That's sweet, so fine. Right, let's get into the, what should we add next? A bass. Let's just try a bass just to get the feel for the beat. This is my go-to bass. I mean, yeah, it's a good bass, yeah, but it might not be a good thing that I'm using the same bass all the time. Something like that, we're getting there. I forgot how to do these slide notes, to be honest, and that's crazy because I've not done it in a while. It definitely is like that though, isn't it? Yes, it is. That could sound crazy without the slides on here. Or is that what I've got to do? Right, I'm gonna save that, clone it, make that melody again without the slide notes, just see the difference, because I've not done these slide notes in a while since making drill beats. But I do want to bring that up. I need to watch some tutorials myself. How do I do this now? Just overlap this so it just glides up on that one. That's crazy. It could just be the case of that, to be honest. I don't think it is. Maybe that. That's how, right. I'm still learning myself. As producers, we're always learning. might do the G. I've got another glide. Right, I think that's it for the bass. Let me know if you prefer it with them glide notes, or if I'm just going mad. Also, shout out to, I'm going to put the username there if I find it, recommended these headphones for me, for just getting a good response really, a flat response, good for mixing, and so I could provide better tutorials. The last headphones I was using, they were sounding mad when I was putting it back on the speakers. So these are the, I think the Bear Dynamics DT 990 Pro X, I'm sure that's it. Put a link in the description, why not? Right, naturally, I always add some chords with these sort of beats. I might change the bass up though, as I did in Beautiful. If you know, you know. Put that Detroit bass back in there. Sounds a bit too happy, that. I've used that chord before, I could just say it off the top of my head, I know I have. What was that noise? I heard a mad noise in the earphones, but I don't have a clue what it was. They sound alright, them chords, not too much, you know, it's only 3 chords there. Let's see what they sound like with the effects on. We're gonna need a counter melody too. Let me add. Yeah, we'll add it all on here with the kickstart on. Dun, dun. It's probably not that we need, it's probably, it might be the same bell again. That sounds crazy, that. Put it up an octave, that's gonna sound mad. Mad. And hit without the kickstart. I just need to hear on its own. Maybe. Maybe that. I don't think it's them notes I want to go with. That might be it, you know. It sounds better than the original melody, this one. To be honest, that probably needs going up an octave, if I'm being honest. But it's decent anyway. Keep it as the bass melody, and this counter melody can just give it that shine.